Hey y'all, what's going on? Hopefully y'all are having a good one. I haven't done a lure review in a long time, so I wanted to do one on this Nikko Caddisfly. I have this paired up with a 164-ounce jig head. I think it'll be perfect for this crick. The Caddisfly itself is about 2 inches, so that is a good size here. Primarily in this crick, there might be a couple bass. You'll see some panfish, like a lot of redbreast, and there should be some holdover trout, so we'll see how it does. Hope y'all enjoy. Okay, there we go, there's a rainbow. Super unique looking. He's darker than usual. Right on the Nikko Caddisfly. How about that? Pretty colors. Pretty colors. Oops. Jumped out of my hands right in there. So, other than him falling at the end there, I'll take that pretty decent release. Cool. That was a surprise. I just didn't think that there'd be a trout just kind of lurking in there. Just a little redbreast. Let's let our buddy go. Oh, it looks like there are some fish down there. Oh, missed one. Oh, there's some trout. There's some trout down there. There's a trout on my hook. He's a decent size. All right, y'all, there you go. Pretty decent size. Let's get him back. There we go. I mean, he's a decent sized trout for this time of year. I mean, most of the big ones are already taken out by people. And there you go on the Nikko Caddisfly. Kind of surprised to catch a trout here, so good news, good stuff. The other ones are probably scared now though. That's sunfish. Big old redbreast. Oh yeah. Someone got him on the side there. Maybe a turtle or something. Yeah, something got him on the side there. He was like a tough fish, man. Cool. Okay, another trout. Guys, I was not even paying that close attention. He took a little drag there. He's got... Look at the colors on this one. Wow. Settle down, bud. I'm not gonna keep you. That's a nice sized trout too. He's probably about 10 inches and he's a good size, so let's let him go. It's a pretty quick release there. Guys, I was not even really paying attention much because I don't know, I didn't think I was going to catch anything down there, but he just came up and grabbed it. All right, y'all, so for trout fishing, this caddisfly is getting it done. He's just getting it done. I don't really know what else to say. What do I got? There we go. So the caddisfly catches a fallfish too, so add that to the list of species. Not a bad little lure here. All right, this is super interesting. This looks like a deep, disgusting pool. Looks like there's a ton of fish over here though. What if those are bluegill? No. Oh, pumpkinseed! That's such a pretty fish. I gotta get a picture of this. Quick picture. I actually don't know what kind of fish that is. Interesting. Bye, little guy. I don't know what you is. Well, that's a day. That's a cool day of fishing. All right, y'all. That was a pretty good day of fishing. So the Nikko Caddisfly definitely performed well. All I saw today were redbreast, fallfish, and rainbow trout, and it caught all of them. It caught a lot more rainbow trout than I was expecting, just because the rainbow trout in this creek typically don't hit on jigs, and it's June, so it's a little hot. I thought it would be a little slow for them, but it performed really well. So in case you're wondering, I was out here for about 2 hours. That's stopping and going fishing, right, moving to the next spot. And I caught a plethora of sunfish, like a ton of sunfish. I'm not going to include in the video because y'all are going to want to watch me reel in 30 sunfish or whatever it was. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all like the lure reviews, let me know and I'll do more of them. I'll see y'all.